The components that make up the soil in your garden is alive, and the results show through its structure and color. How do we know the status of your soil's health and fertility to grow the best fruit and vegetables in your garden? Through a soil test. And what do we need for a soil test? A soil sample. I have a method to share with you how we do that. Let's dig in. There are no absolutes to garden. There are many ways. I offer you some ideas to help get started in your own garden dream. My name is Keenan, and I'm a professional gardener by trade. I want to help you garden step by step, present a variety of farming industries for inspiration, and help you find resources and supplies for your own garden needs. Be it in the soil, container, water, or air, I believe you can grow anywhere. Let's garden. To take a soil sample, we will need a bucket, a Ziploc bag and black Sharpie marker, and your choice, a shovel, a trowel, or better yet, a soil sampler probe. If you were to take a soil sample via shovel, and I do not believe that this is the most efficient way, you would try to get a soil sample from the tip of the blade to about the top right here, about 12 inches. And you do have to take several. So if you're putting it in your 5-gallon bucket right here, it's gonna fill up pretty quick. To show you about how that would look. And then I just pull up. That's about your soil sample right there. The better way is with a garden trowel. The way to go to take your sample. This would be your soil sample with a trowel. The best tool to take a soil sample is the soil sample probe. This type is for a foot, and you can buy one of these tools off of Amazon, and it costs around $14. And if you consider this is kind of a lifetime investment, it'll last you forever. So to start out, you'll need your bucket. So in this case, I have a 5-gallon bucket. A gallon bucket would work too as well. Half-gallon bucket pail is just what I have. And I'm going to take a few samples. In this area, I'm going to probably take at least about 5 to 6 in this area. Take your soil sample out, twist, and then just pull out. See how the soil sample is preserved? This right here will give you the most accurate reading right here. This is about a 12-inch soil sample, and this is what it would look like intact. And this is going to give you the best reading of what's happening down 12 inches. This is the top, so 6 inches, 12. And that's what it would look like. That is a good core soil sample that you would like to take. And I'll just scrape out your soil sample into your bucket, just like this. If you have a flat head, that's probably the most recommended. You just bang it out just like that. And this is just to show that, as you can see, I have a few places that I took some sample of where I'm putting my crops. After you've collected your soil samples, you'll look something like this. I've taken quite a bit from multiple areas of my garden, and you'll just kind of mix it together. And we only need about 2 cups of soil. So here's my Ziploc bag. After I've taken what I need, this excess soil, I will just go and dump back out into my garden. This is the usual or soil lab at Utah State University. they have this box to fill out a sheet. And you'll just fill out this sheet. We'll start filling out this form. Put today's date. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.